In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Ford Edge. This is located in the dashboard right behind your glove box. Let's get started. We can open up the glove box by pressing on the button on the left side. Next, we can pick up on this tab here, pull that out and set it down. Next, we have two tabs here and here. And simply push up on each tab. We can drop the glove box down. Right behind the glove box, we find a door. At either end, there's a Phillips head screw. We're just going to remove those. I'm going to remove this one over on the passenger side. And we can do the same with the screw on the other side of the door. Now we have two tabs up top. Simply pull out on the tabs. Now we can just pull the cabin filter out. If there's a lot of dirt or debris in it, you want to be careful and not tilt it off to the side or anything. We have some arrows on the end of the filter. Those are going to point downwards and towards the blower itself. And line up the filter. We'll start to get it in. You want to be careful while installing this. You don't want to damage the filter. I'm just going to push on each side until it's set fully in. Once it's set in, you can go ahead and close the door. We'll get the screw in on the other side as well. Go ahead and close the glove box. We'll go ahead and grab the retractor piece on the side and press the tab in and down. Once that's in, you can go ahead and close the glove box. Run the blower motor and make sure that you don't hear any abnormal noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.